Welcome to the Indian Oil Durant Cup action. It is the first game of the day. Odisha playing against the Indian Army football team. And now is the turn of the two teams making their first appearance in the Indian Oil Durant Cup this season. The road to the final on 3rd of September 2023 begins right here for these two teams. So expectation and anticipation among the fans focus on the pitch. Two teams who prefers to have vibrant colors and play vibrant football. With Indian Army have a say in the race for the top spot on the back of wins is the question which we'll look to answer in the next hour and a half or so. A patient build-up from Odisha. That's a very cheap giveaway. Win that one high towards the opposition's area. And a rising left footer testing the Odisha goalkeeper Niraj Kumar. And finding a lot of joy down the left. Meanwhile, Rahul. Support incoming from the number 10, Christopher. He's got Tankadhar Bhag jockeying him. A nice 1-2 towards the left corner of the penalty area. Goes on the outside, clips it. In the center, the keeper got in the way. For Indian Army, in comes the shot, spilled by the keeper. And managing to grab hold of it in the second attempt. And look at that. This time with his left foot, cuts inside. And takes the keeper by surprise. Couldn't get to the header in place. I saw the gap, beautiful through ball for Litton. Chance here for Litton and he makes it 1-0. Just against the run of play. And a new star here at the Sai Stadium in Kokrachhar. And look at that move. Litton Sill keeps his composure in front of goal. Saw the keeper coming off his line and beautifully placing it into the back of the net. A clinical finish from the number 7. In a matter of seconds. And now is in the clear. Oh, clever leave. Chance for Deepak to make it 2-0. Just too wide of the post. A clever release from Rahul towards the on-rushing Shafil. Just not managing to drill the ball into the bottom corner. Once again, a very quick counter from Indian Army. Look at that. Gentle back heel. Just not managing to hit the back of the net. He needs to do better from positions like that. A red card for Litton Sill, the goal scorer. And Army red, the Indian Army rather, are down to 10 men. This could be the turning point of this game. High boots. Studs up clearly, Karan.
And not needed. A silly challenge there by Litton Sill. Tries to get one in this time from the right flank. Into the box. A free header.
An open chance here for Lapung. And draws a wonderful save. Gets down on time is the goalkeeper Thakuri. Hovering into the penalty area. Is hung up at the far post. Knocked back into the center. Shot on the turn. Towards the keeper who spills it. Chance from the right once more. And the cross takes another deflection. Dying minutes. And that's the full-time whistle from Pratik Mondal. And a wonderful victory for Indian Army. And in the Durant Cup, we've had results in the past which have meant so much to the comparatively lesser known teams. But this one is a resounding reminder that football is played firmly on the pitch, not on paper. Indian Army have taken on the Hero Super Cup champions, Odisha FC, and have sent shockwaves running through the results of the Durand Cup. At full time, it's Odisha FC nil, Indian Army 1.